Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. I'm actually today sorting out things for the polytunnel and using it basically. Some of the green plastic that was on the roof, I've actually made into like a little mini greenhouse, and I didn't go to get it the exact size of the beds in here, but it is. And so now that should stay warmer overnight than the air in the polytunnel itself. I had plastic cold frame a few years ago. The plastic deteriorated on it, but I saved all the metal struts, and I can't find them all, but I found some of them, and that's what I've used to make this thing with. But I've now got in here, they're radishes, those are peas, those are my broad beans, and I found some onions, but I don't know. I got them last year. I don't know if they're going to do any good or not, but there's green coming off them, so I thought I'll put them in until I need the space. And I will be sowing more seeds, but what I'm going to do is check, put me temperature thing in here and see how cold it gets in here, because if I put a little tea light in here, it should definitely keep it way above freezing overnight. That's why I'm put it on the bed nearest the door, so I can come and do it just as it's going dark. Mason, you're not coming in. So, oh, and I made another one because over the years I've had two of these plastic grow houses, and plastic perished on both of them. One was just the struts that I left and saved. This one, it was the full thing, so I've just covered it, so I can't get it into the polytunnel, but it looks littler than the one I built. But this means I've got a cloche right here, so when I do some direct sowing, I've got a cloche that I can cover them up with. So I'm getting somewhere. Now what I'm going to do is see if I can nab lurch, and we'll start a fire with some of the stuff that's in here. So, see you soon. Bye.
It's a